Hi, I'm Lena, and I've been running Pen to Print since it first started way back in 2014. Um, it's been an amazing journey. I started working on this project on my own, and I gradually built up a massive team of different people, um, volunteers, class leads, workshop leads, authors. Um, the list goes on and on. It's been an amazing journey. Uh, I think I think that's the highlight for me is working with such an amazing group of people, and they don't cease to amaze me at how talented they are. Um, so here's to another 10 years of Pen to Print. I hope I'm still around to see the 20th anniversary. And thank you to everyone who's participated, read our work, listen to our podcasts, come to our events, workshops and classes. You're the reason I'm here doing this work. So thank you to everyone and happy birthday, Pen to Print.